Guys, you know that Hobart T-Rex that I got? Well, I found for him a space where I can put him, so let me show you. Here he is. Yeah, he got a human in his mouth and he shot her with these guns that can shoot, And this guy is on a bike shooting the Hobart T-Rex. We got this guy that was in the set throwing TNT at the dinosaur. This guy is with a sniper trying to shoot the dinosaur. And this guy was talking to the boss, and well, he's gonna get shoot. And this one is gonna shoot the bike. So yeah. And I also made a thing for fun. This live car. Yeah, I know, it's pretty dumb. So it has eyes here. Then it has this booster thing that I made here. And his eyes can actually go like that. And this head stuff is his brain. So yeah, I actually pretty good here. But if you guys want to see more, don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.